Okay, I just want to share this really quick, what we use instead of Vicks, because Vicks is no good. Feel free to Google that. So the Thieves Chest Rub is amazing. It's just like this creamy, smells incredible, infused with all the good oils for congestion. I also mix in a little bit of the Sniffles Kid Sense, and the baby took it, and Digest. So this helps break up all that congestion and yucky stuff. And then I just rub it all over the chest and neck area. And then I also put a little bit on the back. Okay, that's all. Just wanted to share.